Number 1.
1995 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,000, finished in a white exterior with a brown interior. The truck has been owned for about 2 years and has proven to be a reliable work truck and daily commuter. It has been maintained using OEM parts only, with receipts available. Mechanical work was completed by a reputable mechanic in Fresno, including replacements for the suspension, emission system, fuel delivery system, belts, and EVAP hoses. The truck also has brand new matching tires, a fresh oil change, and includes a camper shell, no check engine lights, AC blows ice cold, heater works, and the engine runs strong with no leaks, no head gasket issues, and no oil or coolant consumption. The interior is clean with no tears, while the paint shows normal age for a 25-year-old truck. No rust or frame damage. Tags are paid and the seller is willing to smog for serious buyers.
Number 2.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $7,000, equipped with a reliable 3.0L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Originally built without factory air conditioning, the truck still remains in its original configuration, though aftermarket AC kits are available for approximately $500 for those who wish to add it. This particular Ranger has been well maintained, with the front suspension refreshed within the last 8,000 miles, contributing to a solid and comfortable ride. The clutch remains in excellent condition and shifts smoothly, while the tires have only about 5,000 miles of use. For added style and comfort, the truck features 5% window tint all around with 20% tint on the windshield.
The audio system has also been upgraded, including SKR door speakers and a 10-inch subwoofer mounted behind the passenger seat. Number 3.
1995 Ford F150, price $6,500. This truck is powered by the reliable 5.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has traveled 259,000 miles over its lifetime. It features a clean South Dakota title in hand, making the ownership transfer straightforward. Finished in a black exterior with a beige interior, the truck stands out with a custom interior setup that even includes a unique cowboy hat holder, adding a bit of personality to the cabin. It also comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and a backup camera, giving this classic pickup a modern touch. The truck runs well and remains comfortable to drive thanks to a powder-coated lift kit that provides a smooth ride. It sits on stylish vision wheels and has window tint all around with an eyebrow strip for added appearance and sun protection. Additional features include working air conditioning and heater, a new battery installed in 2024.
Number 4.
1993 GMC Sierra 2500, price $6,000. The truck has a clean title in the owner's name and has been well maintained. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch throttle body injection V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, including a Goodwrench transmission. The engine has approximately 40,000 miles on a remanufactured long block, contributing to its strong running condition. The Sierra has 259,000 miles on the odometer, features a white exterior with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The interior is clean and has recently received a new headliner, while the body remains straight and in good shape. All fluids have been recently changed, and everything on the truck is reported to be working properly. Overall, the truck presents itself as a dependable heavy-duty pickup. It will need tires soon, but aside from that it is ready to drive and enjoy.
Number 5.
1996 Toyota T100, price $6,800, featuring a 3.4L V6 engine, automatic transmission, and 4x4 drivetrain. It runs strong and drives very well, reflecting careful maintenance. The truck is equipped with brand new Toyota all-terrain tires and has recently received a new timing belt and water pump, along with fresh Toyota OEM fluids throughout the drivetrain, including the front and rear differentials, transfer case, and transmission. The oil and filter have also been recently changed. With 300,000 miles on the chassis, the engine and transmission have been replaced and currently have about 170,000 miles, both recently serviced.
The engine shows 185 psi compression on all cylinders, indicating strong performance. It comes with a clean title, current registration, and up-to-date smog. Number 6.
1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $8,500. It comes equipped with a V6 engine, automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. The truck features a tan exterior paired with a tan interior. The vehicle is reported to be in excellent mechanical condition, with both the engine and transmission operating very well. Several maintenance items have recently been completed, including new front brakes, a new alternator, and a new timing belt, helping ensure reliable performance. The heating and air conditioning systems function properly, and the truck is configured with rear-wheel drive. The interior has been recently detailed, leaving the cabin extremely clean and well presented. The seller notes that the truck comes with a clean title in hand and current registration, making it ready for its next owner. As for minor issues, the front windshield has a crack, and the rear left tail light is broken.
Number 7.
1995 Chevrolet S10, price $3,900. This compact pickup has approximately 200,000 miles and comes equipped with a manual transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean look for its age. This 1995 Chevy S10 with a 4-cylinder engine runs and drives very well. The truck comes with a clean title and valid smog certificate in hand, and the registration is up to date, making the ownership process straightforward. Both the air conditioning and heater function properly, providing comfort in different weather conditions. The vehicle shows no warning lights on the dashboard and no known mechanical issues, and it sits on a good set of tires all around. The engine was recently rebuilt, bringing the truck back to strong running condition.
Number 8.
1985 Toyota pickup, price $10,000, equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and powered by the reliable 22 or carbureted engine. This particular example shows 172,000 miles on the odometer and comes finished in a gray exterior. As part of its key features, the truck includes a strong 4x4 drivetrain with a solid straight front axle, making it well suited for both everyday driving and light off-road use. It carries a clean title and has already been smogged and registered, making it ready for the road.
The interior has been upgraded with Honda Del Sol seats, adding a more comfortable seating setup.
While the truck does not currently have working air conditioning, the AC compressor is still installed, the belt is missing, and the heater functions properly.
Number 9.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, classic full-size pickup that has been well maintained over the years. This truck shows 105,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, powered by a strong 355.7L V8 engine. The engine was professionally rebuilt 2 years ago, and the transmission was recently replaced with a brand new unit, with receipts available to document the work. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck retains a classic late 80s Chevrolet look. It runs on gasoline and has been used as a daily driver in the past, so it shows the normal wear and tear expected for a vehicle of its age. The truck has passed smog inspection, and the registration tags are up to date, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 10.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck has traveled 143,000 miles and comes equipped with a 5.7L Vortec V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. It features a 5-lug setup and the desirable short bed configuration. The vehicle currently holds tags valid through December 2026. The engine and transmission are reported to be healthy and running well, making it a solid candidate for daily use or a light project. The truck does need paint, a tune-up, and has an exhaust leak, which the next owner may want to address.